All right, so the story right here is called The Unknown Planet from the Work, the Completion, the Revelation by Robert Smith III. Is the sun the place where heaven is? No one on earth knows where heaven is. Little is known about the sun, for no person has ever lived on it. Is it even possible for a person to live on it? The sun has to be a spiritual place for it to have existed for many thousands of years, and yet it has nurtured us in many ways. Throughout the many years, it gives us light each and every day. The only time the only times there is no light is when the earth rotates. The heart of the matter is the sun also lives. If not, then how can the sun become darkened as if it has feelings like something that lives? It is as if the sun and God are linked in some sort of way. If God were ever deeply hurt, we would know it right away. For the sun would not shine for several days in a row. According to the word of God, there are more things about the sun we should know. The word speaks of angels pouring out vials on the earth, pouring out vials on the sun. So the word speaks of angels pouring out vials on the sun. The sun must hold great power. If we knew how much, we would be stunned. Some things are not for us to know, but many would agree. The Milky Way holds one of the greatest mysteries. No matter how many times we humans try to figure it out, we just can't get close enough to figure it out. Here's the link between God and the sun. There are none like either of them. No, not one. We will never completely understand everything about God. All we know is that He sustains us and that He is the living God. The sun also lives, but it is extremely complex. Is heaven located on the sun? Is what I may ask next. Just trying to increase understanding of this unknown planet where there is actually life in it, but it is unlike any other planet. The sun must be a planet, for it has significant qualities to make it so. Yet, for many reasons, it can't be, since on it, no living organisms manage to grow. But it lives, made up of gases. It is one big ball of fire. Fire, too, is a living fire too is a living creature. The sun, the sun's fire never goes out, nor does it tire from doing the job for all human beings on the earth. God breathed is what the sun is, and the sun serves the earth. It also works as a component of God's permissive will that we humans may grow old to choose if we wish to choose to do His will. Without the sun, no life would ever grow. There is no unknown planet like it, no planet I know. The idea of heaven being on the sun is an idea that is far fetched, but little is known about the sun. We have to watch to see what it will do next. All of heaven follow God as well, and we Christians watch and wait, trying to see what heaven unfolds as part of our faith. Not a lot is known about heaven as well. Are heaven and the sun related? I guess we'll have to let time tell. The story right there is called The Unknown Planet, from the work, The Completion, The Revelation by Robert Smith III.